Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and wish you all happy Rongali Bihu and Shubha Navabarsha. We the people of Assam are all ready to celebrate our famous and colorful festival Rongali Bihu, and may this new year will bring success, happiness, joy in your life. So with this good news, let's start our Bihu celebration and enjoy the Bihu dance that is performed by one of our favorite teachers, that is Papuri Manu.
কুঁহিপাত ওলালে পুলিয়েও বিনালে প্ৰকৃতিয়েও হলালে ৰং সকলো পাহৰি নতুনকৈ আদৰি এপাক বিহু নাচিবৰ মন সকলোলৈকে অসমীয়া নৱবৰ্ষৰ লগতে ৰঙালী বিহুৰ আন্তৰিক শুভেচ্ছা জনালোঁ। ইয়াতে মই এফাকি ফকৰা যোজনা গাবলৈ ওলাইছোঁ। ও বুঢ়াটো ঢেণ্ডেলা বুঢ়াটো উধানত খুন্দা খাই মৰে ও বোলো হয় ও চকুৰেও নেদেখে কাণেৰেও নুশুনে ছোৱালীহে বিচাৰি ফুৰে হেৰালি টিকাই নাহাঁহিবা মিচিকাই যৌৱন গ'লে পাবলৈ নাই। এতিয়া মই তোমালোক সকলোলৈকে এটি বিহু নাচ নাচিবলৈ ওলাইছোঁ। যদিও নাচিব নোৱাৰোঁ তথাপিতো তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে অলপমান বিহু বুলি চেষ্টা কৰিছোঁ। চ' এনজয় মাই বিহু।
Like always, you dance so well, Papuri. So thank you very much. And I know all of you have so many plans for the Rongali Bihu, but at the same time, I request all of you take all the precautions if you go out because COVID-19 pandemic is not over. Okay, now let's enjoy one more dance performance that is performed by our cutie Snigdha. good, Snigdha. You dance so well and you look so pretty. Okay, and I appreciate all my students, those who have managed time and prepare their dance and share their videos with me. So thank you very much. And now let's enjoy one more dance performance that is performed by Neha, and she is one of the good Bihu dancers. A big clap for Neha. You dance so well, Neha. And nowadays, children are not only interested in study, they are also very much interested in extracurricular activities. So some of my students shared their drawing skills with me. So let's give a look to some Bihu related drawings that is done by my students. A big clap for all of you. Our next performer is Jannah. So let's enjoy her dance now. Jannah dance so well, very good. And let's enjoy now two more Bihu dance, and the performers are Kritika and Kavyashree. Very good, Kabushri and Pritika. Both of you dance so well. And our next performer is Megha Nandi. So let's enjoy her dance now. Wow, Megha, I never know that you dance too, but we'll try. So we come to an end of today's View Special video, and I hope that all of you like the video. You can share your opinion through the comments and also like and share the video and do subscribe my channel. So once again, happy Rangali Bihu and Shubha Navabarsha, and the video is end with a good view dance that is performed by Kalenda.
মই হেলেনা মই সকলোকে নতুন বছৰৰ শুভকামনা যাচিছো আৰু লগতে এই আমাৰ ৰঙালী বিহু অতি মৰমৰ বিহু মই শ্ৰদ্ধাৰে মই সকলোকে ৰঙালী বিহুৰ শুভেচ্ছা যাচিলো আৰু লগতে নতুন বছৰৰ মা দেউতা ভাই ভনী আৰু মোৰ বন্ধুসকলক সকলোকে নতুন বছৰৰ শুভেচ্ছা যাচিলো এই চেগতে মই চমুকৈ সৰুকৈ আৰু ছুটিকৈ মই বিহু নাচিব বিচাৰিছো যদি কিবা ভুল হয় মোক ক্ষমা কৰি দিব